is Kugan. I'm one of the member from the Technology Solution. What is Technology Solution? Technology Solution is one of the company for repairing and servicing the laptop and PC. We're doing this business for our subject Technology Entrepreneurship. Okay, what is my part or what is the product I sell or service in this company is RAM. I install the RAM for any laptop or PC. Okay, this is the small RAM DDR3 2GB RAM for laptop. This is the 2GB RAM also DDR3 for PC. Why need to install the RAM in your laptop or PC? Because it's easy to do your tasks, especially multiple tasks. Multiple tasks example is when you open a Google Chrome 10 tab or 11 tab, if you feel hang means the RAM is low. You need to upgrade your RAM to make a multiple task very quickly or use your software like AutoCAD or SolidWorks more easily open and close. Okay, what is the price of this RAM? It's not too expensive at our company. At our company, provide the most satisfied service. Okay, for the PC, DDR3 2GB is 70 ringgit only, and for the laptop, DDR3 2GB is 120. We also got promotion in our company. For the 4GB RAM DDR3 for laptop is 170, and DDR3 4GB RAM for PC just 100 ringgit. This is best promotion, so hope you all will contact me. We do this installation of RAM in KL and Selangor only. The charge for the transportation is just RM 25 ringgit in KL and Selangor only. The contact number for contact me is 016-681-3917. The Instagram ID is TK_upgrade_RAM. That's all. Thank you.